This is example 4, which is the last example we're going to do in lesson 1-3 on piecewise functions. What we're going to try to do here is take this absolute value function and turn it into a piecewise. So as you know, the v's have two different parts to them. So we're going to try to come up with the two different parts of the function under two different domains. So the key will be to figure out where it reaches this vertex or minimum value. And that will have a lot to do with the domains that we set. All right, we'll have one line going downhill to this vertex and one line going uphill beyond that vertex. So for assistance, let's go to our calculator and pop this into y equals the absolute value of 6x plus 18. When you hit graph, you should see a couple things. You should see a steeper or dilated function, and you should see that it is shifted left, but not 18. The left is going to be left 3 because, as we did last week, if you have a horizontal compression, or which we have here by 1/6, that's actually going to be compressed by 1/6, and a horizontal translation, you need to factor out the greatest common factor, 6, so you could see the shift is left 3. I'm going to erase all this and hope that that's what we see when we go to hit graph. It's compression, horizontal compression of 1/6, because this thing's getting skinnier than the normal V, and it looks like it shifted left 3 as we thought. So let's come up with one equation which we'll do in blue. So the first one is going to be in blue, and it's going to be to the right of -3. -3 is the breaking point where the vertex is between the red line and the blue line. So one domain is going to be where x is greater than or equal to 3. The left side is going to be when x is less than -3. All right, so we need the equation of the blue line. What would its y-intercept be if it continued to climb up, 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 up? Well, since it was the absolute value of 6x plus 18, I think this is simply the line 6x plus 18. It's got a slope of up 6 over 1, up 6 over 1, up 6 over 1. So by the time I went up 6 3 times, and I went over 3 to get to the y-axis, I think we're going to hit up here at 0, 18. 6x plus 18. For the one going downhill, we need to think about where this red line is headed. I think its slope is -6. It's basically the mirror image of the blue line, but it's downhill. And where would it hit the y-axis if it continued with this trend? Down 6 over 1, down 6 over 1, down 6 over 1. I think -18 will be the slope of that piece. So this is the equation of the absolute value of 6x plus 18 written as a piecewise function. For the triads, you're going to do something similar. Go ahead and write this one out in its two pieces. Figure out the two different equations under the two different domains, and the same for B. Good luck. We'll go over those tomorrow.